Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix apps crashing on your iPhone. So, let's get started. First, if a specific app is causing the problem, press and hold the app icon. Then tap on Remove App and select Delete App. After that, reinstall the app from the App Store. This simple step often fixes most app-related issues. Next, check your storage. Go to Settings, General, iPhone storage. If your storage is almost full, apps may crash or not work properly. Try deleting unnecessary apps, photos, or videos to free up space. If the issue is still not fixed, you can reset all settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Reset all settings. This will reset system settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and keyboard preferences, but it won't delete your personal data. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.